Welcome to the Afterspin, opinions from thought leaders in our state. Rufus Edmisten, our Constitution says the state attorney general is the advocate for the state in court battles. In recent months, the governor and the legislature have spent more than $9 million hiring their own legal counsel because they say Attorney General Cooper won't properly defend the laws they have passed. Roy Cooper has indeed refused to defend some of these laws on the grounds they aren't constitutional. It raises the question whether the Attorney General has the privilege of deciding whether or not to defend laws that have been passed. You were the AG for many years. What's your take on that?
Well, I wouldn't say the Constitution determines that. It really just says there shall be an Attorney General, and it really doesn't list any duties. Now, I'm asked this quite a few times, and there were times when I refused to defend a law.
I thought so.
I can tell you one time, I'm not going to go into any personalities, but the Department of Corrections kept doing some things I knew were not right, and I said, I'm not going to defend you, and then they got sued. And they came to me. At that time, the Attorney General was the one who determined if we got a lawyer or not, and I said, well, where are you going to get your lawyer? And they said, we'll hire one. I said, you got to get my permission. There are times when you're a constitutional officer, you are an officer of the court, and I'm not going to put any blame on Roy Cooper for any decision he makes when he says that I think something is unconstitutional. I'm not going to waste the taxpayers' money, and I do think that it's caused a lot of problems. This would not occur had this not been a time when someone were running.
When our Attorney General was running for
governor, but it's not unconscionable. It's not unusual. And that's just the way things work, because the Attorney General is not a handmaiden of anybody. In my opinion, the Attorney General is the only person left around in the state to protect the freedom and the rights of the little people, and I don't want to see that diminished.
Wow. Thank you for watching the Afterspin. We'll have more video all during the week on ncspin.com.